Vacuum test. A vacuum is required after the product has been completely frozen, which may occur several hours into the process. If you are no longer at the machine and the vacuum cannot be achieved, your freeze-drying process will be unable to continue. Therefore, we advise always performing a vacuum test before starting any freeze-drying process. The vacuum test should be conducted in manual mode. First, ensure that the chamber is fully sealed. Verify that the drain valve is fully closed. Ensure the door seal is clean and the door is securely closed. Inspect the vacuum hose connections at both the Xiros Mikro and the Animos vacuum pump. Next, select manual mode and switch it to on. Start the compressor and then the vacuum pump, and wait until it becomes quiet. Then, open the vacuum valve, and the chamber will begin to vacuum. Wait until it becomes quiet. When the pump quiets down after 10 to 15 seconds, this indicates a proper vacuum has been achieved. To confirm the door is sealed properly, check the door handle, which should be loose since the door is pulled tightly against the chamber seals. The vacuum gauge on the screen should read 0.5 megabars in max 30 minutes. If a vacuum is not achieved, perform the following checks. Ensure the drain valve is fully closed. Confirm the door seal is clean and the door is securely closed. Check the vacuum hose connections. Once satisfied with the vacuum test, you can turn off the vacuum pump or switch the total manual mode to off. Then, slowly open the drain valve to release the vacuum from the chamber. After this, you can open the door again to access the chamber. Now the vacuum test is finished and you can safely start your freeze-drying project.